Is your tractor stuck in the middle of a field again? Hey, Temecula and nearby, farmers and ranchers, we know that time is your most precious resource during the planting and harvesting seasons. That's why our mobile tractor repair service is here to save the day, right where you are. No need to haul your tractor miles away for repairs. We come directly to your farm or ranch with all the tools and parts needed to get your equipment back in action, fast. Our team of certified mechanics specializes in on-the-spot repairs, ensuring minimal downtime so you can keep your operations running smoothly. Why choose us? Rapid response. We're just a call away, ready to roll out and rescue your day with our mobile tractor repair service. Expert service, experienced with all major tractor brands and models. John Deere, Kubota, Ford, New Holland, and more. Transparent pricing, no hidden fees, just straightforward, honest service. High-quality service, attention to detail and doing things the first time is important to us. Might be why we have 25+ and 5-star Google reviews. What's the weirdest thing you've found causing trouble in your tractor machinery? Share your stories in the comments. Check us out at Tractor Repair San Diego, Temecula to schedule your service or learn more about how we can keep your farm running without a hitch. Or simply give us a call to get back on track today. 760-201-1699. Your crops don't wait, and neither should you.